Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite YouTuber Jaya. Welcome back to my channel. We talk about all things money, finance, and entrepreneurship. Guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about 5 of the best online bank accounts. We are living in the new digital age where everything is online. There's practically nothing that you can't do that is online. You can order your groceries online. You can get food to deliver to you online. You can find a husband online. You can do anything online. And the most common thing that people do is bank online. It's an easier experience. Nobody wants to carry cash. All of your money is in one place. You're able to transfer your money to your savings. You're able to see how much you're spending all in one app. So while the benefits of online banking have definitely taken over in the past 10 to 15 years, it can be so hard to choose which bank account is the right one. There are so many. You go on the app store, you type in banking app, and you get like 50 million different options, and you never know which to choose from. So in today's video, we are going to be going over 5 strictly online bank accounts, going over their fees. Are their fees worth it? Going over their benefits. Are their benefits worth it? Should you be building a relationship with this particular bank to see what are the best online bank accounts and what exactly do they have to offer? Coming in at number 1, we have the Capital One 360. Now, number 1, if you're going to be an online bank, you need to have good digital product. Okay, you cannot brand yourself as an online bank and your mobile banking experience is trash. And one thing that I can testify about Capital One is that their mobile banking experience is absolutely seamless. It is seamless. It's beautiful. It's gray. Everything is in the same place. You click here. It's so user-friendly and aesthetically pleasing to use this app. And one of the biggest benefits of online banking is that online banks are open 24/7. I don't know what it is about banks. They open really weird hours. If you work 9 to 5, but the banks are only open 9 to 5. So if you have a regular job, how do you get in touch with your bank? You have to rush on your lunch break. However, if you have an online bank such as Capital One, you can access your banking 24/7. You don't have to follow the very bizarre banking hours. There are no fees. That includes no minimum balance, which we love, no overdraft fee, which we love, no foreign transaction fee, which we love, and no ATM fee, which we love. Banks, mainstream banks, especially big banks, will find any reason to charge you a fee, a $35 fee, a $6 fee, having a fee just for opening up a bank account. So when you find a bank that doesn't charge you any fees, it's a good sign. That means you're going to be able to keep the money that you earn. Capital One 360 also has overdraft protection. Overdraft protection is a service to where you can stop payments from overdrafting your account. And instead of it overdrafting your account, it'll just decline. If you do want to speak to somebody in person, Capital One has cafes and banks for you to go to. There's not as many locations because this is a mostly online bank. However, there are locations that exist if you need to speak to somebody in person. So overall, the mobile banking experience with Capital One is absolutely seamless, and it's definitely a great online bank to bank with. Coming in at number 2, we have the Ally Bank checking account. Now, not to be confused with the Ally Bank savings account. They are brother and sister, but they're not twins. The Ally Bank checking account is just as resourceful as its savings account, with absolutely no maintenance fees and no overdraft fees, over 43,000 fee-less ATMs, and do you know how Ally savings account has saving buckets? The checking account has spending buckets. I mean, it just doesn't get any better. It just doesn't get any better than that. You can separate your money into different accounts so that this money is spending for groceries, this money is spending for gas, this money is spending for entertainment. I mean, we are just so organized over here with the Ally Bank checking account. You can get paid up to 2 days sooner, which I find to be quite interesting. I don't know about you, but I bank with Chase. And so I've never experienced this get paid 2 days sooner phenomenon. This was also a feature with the Capital One, but I did mention it because I'm like, what is going on? But I keep seeing it's like a reoccurring thing where you can get paid 2 days sooner. If you get paid on the 1st and the 15th, are you saying I'm going to get paid on the 13th? I don't know. But that is a feature that this offers. And what I love about this specific bank account is that this is not just a regular bank account. This is an interest earning checking account. Normally, We have interest earning savings account, high interest earning savings account. But this bank account, this is an interest earning checking account, which is rare. So the Ally checking account has an interest rate of 0.10%, as opposed to Chase, Wells Fargo, Bank of America. Their bank accounts earn an interest of 0.01%. So if you were to keep a minimum daily balance of $500 in your bank account, you would earn 50 cents. What? Are you kidding me? Wow. You are earning money with this bank account. Now, realistically, you could earn more because the annual percentage yield for this checking account does go up to 0.25%, but you had to keep a minimum daily balance of $25,000 in your checking account. And realistically, who keeps $25,000 in their checking account? Come on. So if you were to keep a minimum daily balance of $500 in your checking account, you would earn 50 cents. Come on. It's a win. A win is a win. Coming in at number 3, we have the Alliant checking account. Now, I chose this checking account for a specific reason. Why? Because it is a credit union. And recently, I've come to the realization that everybody should be building a relationship with a credit union. Why? Because if you have a good relationship with the credit union, you can get lower interest rates on auto loans and mortgages, which is why you're opening up the bank account now so you can build up a relationship. So when you do need an auto loan or when you do want to apply for a mortgage, you will already have established a relationship with your credit union so you can get the lowest interest rate possible. Credit unions also offer higher interest rates on savings accounts. So it is a very, very good decision for you to open up a checking account with a credit union and start building up a relationship with them. The Alliant Credit Union offers a high interest rate checking account. And so the interest rate for the Alliant checking account is 0.25%. There are no monthly service fees, no overdraft fees, and there's no minimum balance for you to maintain this account. So you can literally open this account, no risk to you, keep money in there, maybe take money out, put money in, make a purchase or two with this account just to make it look like you're a responsible human being. Build up a relationship with this credit union, and then when it's time for you to purchase your first car, your first vehicle from the car dealership, and you go to the car dealership and they give you like this ridiculous interest rate, you can say, hold on, I'm a member of a credit union. Go down to your credit union and get a lower interest rate, which is in turn going to save you money when it comes to bidding your first auto loan. So that is my thesis on why everybody should be opening up a bank account with a credit union, because it will inevitably save you money in the long run. Coming in at number 4, we have the Discover checking account. Amazing. We love Discover on this channel because Discover has never done me wrong. Okay. What stands out about the Discover checking account? What makes the Discover checking account shine? The fact that this is a cash back checking account. Cash back. Every time you spend money with your debit card, you get 1% cash back on all purchases. I'm sorry. Is this a credit card? I'm sorry. I thought only credit cards earn cash back. Nope. If you open a Discover checking account, you get 1% cash back on all purchases, not revolving categories, all purchases. Are you being serious? So if you don't want to open up a credit card, you're like, I don't want to mess with that credit stuff, then just get the Discover checking account, which is a checking account, so it doesn't check your credit. And you still get the credit card benefits of 1% cash back. This, once again, is a feeless bank. There are over 60,000 ATMs for you to go to. You can send money with Zelle. I mean, what more do you need? I mean, I was sold at the 1% cash back, but this is definitely a great option for an online bank because of the no fees, because of the 1% cash back, and because of the online mobile banking experience, which is amazing. I do not have the Discover checking account, but I do have a Discover credit card, and I can say the online mobile banking experience is seamless. It's absolutely amazing, which makes this checking account a great option. And last, but certainly not least, we have Chime. Chime is a very popular online bank. I personally have not used Chime, but this bank has been taking people by storm for the past 5 to 6 years, and I've heard wonderful things about it, so I definitely wanted to include it in this video. So Chime seems to be like the perfect online bank for your traditional young person. They have something called overdraft protection fee-free with Spot Me. So if you need to purchase something and let's say it goes over the amount of money you have in your bank account, Chime will spot you up to $200 in order to cover that purchase, and then you will just be able to fix the negative balance the next time there's a deposit in your account, which seems to be how every other checking account works when it comes to overdraft. If you do not have the overdraft protection turned on, but who knows, maybe they're doing something a little bit different. Once again, we have this very interesting feature of getting paid up to 2 days early. If this is something that you've experienced where you notice that you've getting paid 2 days early with Chime checking account or any of these other online banks, please comment down below and explain how this works, how you were able to get paid by your bank 2 days early, and say goodbye to monthly fees. We do not charge any fees over here at Chime. No monthly fee, no minimum balance fee, no overdraft fee, no foreign transaction fee, no fees. No fees. We don't charge any fees over here at Chime Bank. There are over 60,000 ATMs for you to go to at CVS, Walgreens, Circle K, all of the fun, convenient stores that we like to go to. But as far as fees go, if you do go to an out-of-network ATM, you will be charged a fee. But why would you go to an out-of-network ATM when there are over 60,000 ATMs for you to go to? And because this is a strictly online bank, the mobile banking experience is absolutely beautiful. So if you are a young person looking for a fun and hip checking account, Chime definitely seems to be the way to go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I enjoyed going through all of these different bank accounts with you because we are in the time of technology. Why would you want a regular brick and mortar 9-to-5 bank when you can be cool and have an online bank? So let me know if you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you use any of these bank accounts. What has been your experience? What is getting paid 2 days early? Please comment down below. I have so many questions. And last but not least, make sure you subscribe because we're talking about bank accounts. We're talking about high interest earning checking accounts, 1% cash back on a checking account. Why wouldn't you want to subscribe to that? I don't know, but I definitely would. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and in the meantime, stay strong. Bye, guys.